Say Ghana's power sector now entering a higher risk zone. According to IES, Institute of Energy Security. I must say Ghana's power sector now entering a higher risk zone. Inti the tiane say nkania dundumadundumu no. You ready? Na no ebe din. Na 5
I was a woman about the Ghana and CMTV so Bomani so like video no be subscribe to the channel no attend on notification that next time videos of this channel also submit to my say munyam no de bia no if me Mr. President to for Mr. President and just somehow sa wadaroma na Bomani so like video no subscribe to the channel come on my for you by chance you would want to contribute to our studio work sir being it sound internet lights everything but you reach out through number and that's it yes sabe can be there was so now
say Ghana's power sector now entering a higher risk zone. According to IES, Institute of Energy Security. I must say Ghana's power sector now entering a higher risk zone. Inti the tiane say nkania dundumadundumu no. You ready? Na no ebe din. Na 5 days ago, one of the NDC communicators in this region, a very loud one, and of course on the Facebook, the doomsaw is getting out of hand. The whole afternoon, light out. Now, light out. Why? ECG. Why would you so? Why would you so? Madam for Malamisa, would you so? Pampaso. When it was Nanado's time, say a doom cania, Masin Nanado, and a doom cania. Dr. Baumia, and a doom cania. John Mahama Bayan, your doom cania, a ECG. A XYZ. Aya XYZ, Madam Isa, aya XYZ, enya ECG, aya ABCD. John Mahama, and Ama Woda Esumu. Aya John Mahama, and Ama Woda Esumu, ECG. One in 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Selsion Ponto, not Yabibu. Na kania duma mase nanado ene Dr. Baumia ene adum nkania ene de nkania duma why ECG why John Mahama why na no boko agima why ato forcing why asedu nketia asedu nketia is in a 3-day tour e wa Ashanti region kona ko busa ne say ada no am adum nkania no ye ka mosi aban papa aba wo ban papa no so mfaso na wanya no wo ban papa no so mfaso na wanya no the doomsaw is getting out of hands resetting the bino no enjoy it live with it we better say clap for your hands clap for your hands for this government aban papa aba yo yeah, pero no. Tiye na ayentramu. Ufra so kwakwa to hono mo a. The next traffic light. Eye wo fro ubonkum so. E de akọ Akoma FM and also be Kumasi Mall. Another very busy spot. Sa traffic light na so no. Etimi dum bia be 4 days na nya adwuma. Na so bia be 2-3 days. Na say dum be 4 days. Now I imagine because of the main entrance of the mall, Nuntina traffic light in Enya Juma. And also another place. Ufri one ma fro asokwa interchange na wo mu penti ase no. Ufro interchange no. Na wo dane wo nsani fa so say de o ko ahonje roundabout na. Oak Plaza. I want ma traffic light na wo hono so no adum. Eno kra de ba ko na nka ufri ahonje roundabout na eba ubehu no. Ka bi ko bo mu ema ne buto oba bo so me nice bo so me num ni. Ye mfa foforo me si ho. It is our traffic light also and Juma. Now let me tell you how dangerous that place is also. And how busy that place is. Oak Plaza no. I want something to say. And penifua kese umba krom hanum no. Ministers, MPs, our move free region hano. Our mobile baby adano. So we are not golden bina. A Lancaster hotel. One Lancaster. Me papa bishop hotel rich condos. Why not rich condos are the Oak Plaza? Is this our traffic light nasa pay? Traffic light nasa pay na Oak Plaza ni AC. Now the Oak Plaza building no a house a lot of offices. Republic Bank ewom, Ecom Ghana for ewom, a lot of offices. And you are very busy. Directly opposite the Oak Plaza no is a fuel station and then Standard Chartered for so bank or branch ba ko eho enti eho so ye busy. Ana ufri anreganse na eba enam say eye a bit steep into no offro no obesane e de wo sane a say traffic light nso any about the speed and the sane atwam akọ sa traffic light nso so no about a month 2 months nie enya adwuma enti asukwa interchange na wugina ase se upenti no traffic light mienu ansa na wadru asukwa interchange no enya adwuma for months enya adwuma ye was court and they walk more than anymore apart from more no Starbite share fuel station is one and also yeah a very busy fuel station to cars a forward doors pa sa traffic light no so nyedai enya adwuma ucha mu afro interchange na uko sane no traffic light e wonum no enya adwuma se wo free Awanga junction na eba o traffic light miensa ansa na wodru asokwa interchange no so baako over ne fa obonkuma na ukora Awanga junction sa traffic light mo amofa ho no edi wo dance ye say about 3 days within a week ubenu obi ana adum enya adwuma enya si adum nkane anko awo to da nkane awon potemo ba bedu that traffic light na adum o tra na wo ba wani mu a na wo bedu another junction a wutimi di ram ekọ asokwa ekofa ejaba area honom no sa traffic light no so no for bare 1 month eko 2 months ni enya adwuma and also lead to asokwa interchange no ansa na ubedru the last traffic light ya what try ya na okwa the main asokwa interchange no so no a wotimi fa bonkum honum ebe pie asokwa ebe fa mama part area honum no sa traffic light no baby a food island one and also so no about months near I thought I would do on 2 weeks 1 week continuous na enya adwuma sa traffic light no say offer asokwa police station one now over chase main interchange N1 no so I would dey kwa Awanga junction na ube pie traffic light na se pay asokwa MTTD4 ewo ho omunim omahu enti enye say de obi ya e obi ani nye hu de ye kan say enema ehia na ebetumi adi ni panya e okromwa no ana momfa ma ho odan ani musika enkoso efiza wo ye painting interchange na wo ye painting e wa ase no traffic light e one the left e one the right e one the side traffic light 9 and e twa ho ahia baako eye de wo asoko police station anim pɛ enya adwuma ansana wakodru de wo brewery kase over righter na wo kwa ahojo uko straighter na wo kwa atonsu no wakodru eno aso eno de most of times eye adwuma enti traffic light mako 9 ababi a wo ye penti no ehye mfimfini no ne nyina anya adwuma ebetimi de nkwanhya kese bi aba akum nipa ama obi breadwinner wahwe ne kra eno de enkaw enhaw won fa ho because nipa wu a enfa ho wo de wo ba motorcade edi wanim motor rider di wanim ti traffic light ye bia biem kan cross o etu ye safe etu onwene wo mo maka no ho ena wo se wo ye painting. This is why we are talking about it. And just a painting and your and just will be no. But we are here or him we are here now. Sorry, now we'll call on more traffic light now. What try out what they call now any jumano. Busa won't say so be free bonkum and any fair ba now what names a wood to one of a crassowa and only painting now ye paint him na ye friend yeah hey. And I was a minister no and go to one among. Came a boss, Nenimua. Traffic light is you. Sampire beso me kai. Omuba ya ubeye. Emma yes soy na ye adwuma and then ofa ho ma say adum. Officers mess traffic light oh e to da red ni green ni etimi so bom it is a road driver no one ye careful na wa yen say asonti wo kwa kwanhia ene behia. These are the things that we are talking about. Obi be ka say da no momo ba ba mu ye dey ya anya anu ntira Ghana for to abeti aye. Eti mo ma ba mo nkoye because mo so mo be ya resetting
ya yo ebebom kaboom ebebom. You people think God is going to watch you to destroy innocent souls' life, destroy the lives of innocent kids who don't have no helper because of your Range Rover be I them as be I be sorry be you guys are going to pay for it, Papa. You think it's a joke? Hey, Mami Tio last time, can I mean free?
How come, sir? Nyam Ghana, you know, Bude. Nya national development in Temi Budano. We must be bold so that Obirija, when that politics, you know, they are reward and punishment. So once I can reward now, you can get the punishment.
No, sir, Marcus.
Magda, Daniel, and Yama Guabon, Magda, the never Guabon Tribuncio.
MPP fast. Yes. When Jano Yagani, Magdano
Magda, Daniel, never Guabon.
Ofida homie.
Yeah, you never Guabon.
Magdano Ofida homie. Next time you got to a bar. NDC on him, don't mind me, Wontumi Media BB down, but all your mistake no question down be.
And I mean no Casay, me no Casas here, Casua on Mendra. A police a coach where you ubikunu, dear Sema. Asuma ne yere son to prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days. Wa bon yiri nanu suma na nia hono endro mo kofa no. President Mahama first one or buy part 1. Ugu aware bebre true dum so. Part 2, sisi osanso gu aware through aviator, electricity prepaid aviator, wakofa di aba beto yeso.
Na President Mahama oba wa kilometer million.
Na on kilometer man akufo at the time na say na etua electricity wa hanum. Sa na eto prepaid ukroma. Wonko a oba ensema o kan o ka kire say obe man cheap electricity. Oba ya wo de akọ 28 ahe water and then kwofo nchichire ice block. And so I seen so moye vortic e wo mu fie. Aden. Pin ko so o man ko nkofo brown ebre kyerɛ sɛ dum so asan so unity ɛnɛ me no ka sɛ adenta kyerɛ hɔ no nkofo the light da dum so mu 24 hours yɛn so am light. What is happening in this country? ɛna ne yɛ kasa mo so me yɛ ka aso obi asoro papa no wɔ kurom ha obi asoro President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani ni bi sɛ wasɛm President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani